Hey guys, Captain Mike Marissa, Big Man Big Fish Fishing Consultants. Today I'm going to show you my take on an improvement, possibly, of Tom Rowland's Slim Beauty knot. This is for joining mono to braid, fluoro to braid. First we're going to start out, take your mono, and we're going to do a 3-turn uni around the braid. Then you're going to take your braid, stick your finger right here, and then you're going to do 6-7 turns up. Four, 5, 6. I'll do 7. And then we're going to wrap back six times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to exit through there. Grab your main braid, pull it down, and grab your tag and snug it up a little bit too. Pull one or both until it snugs down tight, like so. Now this, I'm going to tighten up my mono uni. Make sure that comes out straight. And now you can take your tag of your mono and trim it. Now here's where I improve upon it a little bit. So I take the braid, jump over the mono knot, and I do a series of half hitches. This will help build that ramp to cushion it up and over your guides. Do at least 5 to 10. And then we're going to give it a risotto finish. Go through there 3 times. And then you're going to unwrap it. And there you have it. Trim your end. And you have a nice little streamlined knot that will go through your eyelets. Hopefully Tom will test it. See how it tests out to the original. Alright guys, Big Man Big Fish Fishing Consultants. Captain Mike Marissa. Give me a call.